Okay, good morning to everyone. Good morning to my dear students. So today we will study. Just a second. Okay, so we are discussing about area. Okay, what is area? Area is amount of surface occupied by an object. Okay, so the amount of surface occupied by an object is called area. Suppose I keep this duster here, so it occupies some space. And what is the space called? The space occupied by the surface of duster is called its area. Okay, if I keep this thing on here, it will occupy space, and this is called area. Okay, area of the surface. Okay, so tell me, what is the SI unit of area? Who will tell me what is the SI unit of area? Okay, just raise your hand if you know the answer. What is SI? Ankita Kumari. Okay. Okay, Ankita Kumari, tell me what is SI unit of area?
Sir, meter.
Okay, meter. C. Manas Pratap Singh, what is the
The meter.
meter? Okay. Garima.
Sir, meter square.
Okay, that's the right answer. C. S. Lower your hand, all of you, please. So SI unit of area is meter square. Okay. If you calculate area, what you do? Suppose you want to calculate area of rectangle. You multiply length and breadth. Length is meter and breadth is also meter. So SI unit of area is meter square. Okay. And how can you define 1 meter square? Means if you want to define 1 meter square, how will you define? Ankita Kumari and Manas Pratap Singh, please lower your hand. So see here, about 1 meter square. What is 1 meter square? If a square is of side 1 meter, suppose this is a square, okay, and what is the area of a square? Side square. So area of a square is side square. So area is equals to 1 meter into 1 meter. And what is 1 meter in 1 meter? 1 meter multiplied by 1 meter. Okay, let me ask to student Garima, you know the answer. You have studied in campus. Tanvi Jaswal, can you hear me? Tanvi, okay. All the rest of the students raising hand. Let me ask from them. Okay. Abhinav Kumar Pandey, no. Ashi Dalmia, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me 1
Sir,
meter.
1000 into 1000.
No, I am asking.
Sir, 1000 into 1 centimeter.
Listen the question. I am asking what is 1 meter into 1 meter? What will be the answer?
Sir, 1 meter square.
Okay, correct. 1 meter square. So answer is 1 meter square. Now, why I am telling this? If we have to convert the area into its sum multiples, means meter square into centimeter square. So what will we do? Just we have to convert this into centimeter. See here. If you want to convert 1 meter square into centimeter square, what we will do? 1 meter square means 1 meter multiplied by 1 meter. Okay. And how many centimeter in 1 meter? 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. And for this, 100 centimeter. So the answer will be 100 into 100, 10,000. 10,000 centimeter square. So 1 meter square is equals to 10,000 centimeter square. That's here we have learned to convert meter square into centimeter square. Okay. Yes. Jyoti Mishra, Ashi Dalmia, if don't raise hand unnecessary. If I will ask, you can raise your hand. Okay. So, and what is 1 centimeter? If we want to convert 1 centimeter square into meter square, what will be the answer in meter square? See, 1 meter square is equals to 10,000 centimeter square. So, what will be 1 centimeter square in meter square? That will be 1 upon 10,000. Okay. Now, how we measure the area of the sheets? With the help of graph paper. You all are familiar with the graph paper. If you are not familiar with graph paper, I'm giving you an idea how the graph paper looks. Okay, there is a sheet. Okay, and there are lines drawn here like this, and there are boxes like this, and each boxes is 1 centimeter square, means 1 centimeter long and 1 centimeter wide. So each boxes is 1 centimeter square. So if you want to measure the area of this surface of this duster and put in on the graph paper, if the graph paper, one box is equals to 1 centimeter square. Okay, if the graph paper means it covers 16 box, okay, on the graph paper. So tell me, Udbhav Mishra, who will tell me what will be the area of this duster if it covers 16 boxes and one box is 1 centimeter square? So what will be the area of this duster? Who will tell me? Class 6D student will not answer. Okay, who attend the campus classes, because they don't know the answer. We have discussed yesterday. So who attend the campus classes, don't raise the hand. I know you know the answer. You are a good boy and good girl. Okay. Okay, Ankita Kumari, tell me.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, please explain one more question. I will give answer.
I'm asking. Okay, let us. I'm asking that if the box is 1 centimeter square and we keep the duster on the graph paper and cover 16 box, so what will be the area of the duster?
Sir, I don't know this.
Okay. Okay, Joya Parveen, you tell me.
Sir, 16 centimeter square.
Okay, good. So see, it is a very simple. It covers, if it covers 16 boxes and one boxes is 1 centimeter square, so the area will be 16 centimeter square. So it is the easy method to know the area with the help of graph paper. You just keep the things on a graph paper and count the boxes which is overlapped or which is covered by the surface, and you can simply tell the area of surface of anything. Okay, but calculating the area with graph paper is quite different, because we have to count the boxes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have developed the formula of some standard shape. What is the standard shape? Like some regular shape, rectangle, square, triangle, and circle. And we have made a formula, a standard formula to calculate the area of these shapes. So first I am taking the shape rectangle. Second, I am taking shape square. And third one is triangle. Okay. And fourth, I will write. This is length and this is breadth. I know everyone knows the area of Prince. Why you have raised the hand, Prince? A lot of students, Abhinav, just lower your hand, na? Please lower your hand. Okay, good. Lower your hand. Udbhav. Why you have raised hand? Udbhav Mishra. Udbhav, what happened?
Hello?
What happened? What happened, Udbhav?
Sir, nothing.
Okay, so lower your hand. Udbhav, Abhinav Singh, you both of you. So everyone knows the formula of area of rectangle. What is the formula? Length multiplied by breadth, means L into B. And for a square, all the sides are equal. Suppose this is A. So what is the formula of area of square? Side into side. Side into side. And now, for you, triangle and circles are new. These two shapes, you know the formula for these two shapes. and triangle and circle are new for you. So let's memorize the formula of triangle. See, for triangle, you have given two things. The height, this is the height of a triangle, height, or we can also call it altitude, and this is the base. Okay, and what is the area for this triangle? Half. Okay, base, suppose we denote base with small b and height with the smallest, into b into h. Okay, half base into height. We multiply base height with half. Now circle. We know for circle there is a point from the center to this periphery, that is radius. Okay, so for the circle, area of circle is pi r square. R square means you have to multiply r twice, means pi r into r. And what is the value of pi? 22/7. Okay, now I am giving question to you. A student of class 6D, okay, who have attended the campus class will not answer because they have already solved the questions. Okay, so who have not done previously class or in yesterday class, they will solve and raise hand which the question I am giving. Okay. See, there is a rectangle whose length is 15 meter and breadth is 12 meter. You have to calculate its area. You have to calculate its area. There is square of side 20 meter and we have to calculate its area. Calculate first. Question number 1, question number 2. Okay, who is going to answer? Aditya Yadav. Okay, Aditya. Garima knows the answer, 6D. Aditya Yadav, you have raised hand. What is his answer? Have you calculated?
Hello.
Aditya.
Hello.
Aditya.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, first answer is 180 meter square and second answer is 40 meter square.
Not 40 meter square. Aditya, 20. You have. This is 20 meter.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, Joya Parveen, you want to answer?
80 meter square.
Sir, first answer is 180 and second answer is 400 meter square.
Okay. Okay. Manan Kumar Singh, what is your answer?
Hello.
Ha, Manan. First.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. What is your answer?
Sir, first answer, the area of rectangle is 170 meter square.
Okay.
And the area of square is 400 meter.
Okay.
Square.
Oh, okay, Manan. Ashi Dalmia, what is your answer?
Ma'am, sir, 180 meter square first answer and second answer is 80 meter square.
Okay. See, students, most of the students solve this. Okay. So, see, for calculating the area of rectangle, what we do? Multiply length into breadth. Okay. And what is 15 into 12? 180 meter square, because unit of area is meter square. For the side of a square is given 20 meter. And what is the area? Area is side into side, means 20 into 20. 20 into 20. That is 400 meter square. Maybe you have done calculation mistake in multiplying, so your answer is wrong. But if you use the right formula, you will and right multiplication calculation, so you will get correct answer. Okay, 15 into 12 is 180, 20 into 20, 400. This is the easy question. Okay, now I am giving you question on circle and rectangle, triangle. Okay, be ready with your copy. Okay, this is a triangle whose height is 10 meter. Okay, and its base is 15 meter. So you have to calculate the area of triangle. And second question is for circle. Radius is 7 meter and you have to calculate area. In both the question you have to calculate area. Okay, who is going to answer? Who is the good one? Good boy. Jyoti Mishra. Manas. Okay. Manas Pratap Singh, have you calculated?
Sir,
What is the answer of the first one? Triangle.
so 75.
And what is the answer for second one?
Sir,
Okay, no problem. You have tried. Very good. Okay. Arpita Gupta. Arpita, what is your answer? Quick. Don't waste time. If you raise a hand, so be ready with your answer. Okay. Garima, tell me the answer of first one.
The first answer will be 75 meters square, and second one I can't understand.
Second one you can't understand. This is radius is given 7 meter and you have to calculate the area of circle, pi r square.
So I can't understand the formula of this one.
Achha, you can't understand the formula. Okay. Who has solved the second one? Just raise hand only for second one. Okay. Joya Parveen, please. What is the answer for second one?
22 meter.
22 meter. Okay. Udva Mishra, what is your answer?
Sir, the board is not visible. What is the second one radius?
7 meter.
7 meters. Sir,
Yep.
give me time for solve it.
Okay, okay. Okay, Himnesh Singh, have you solved?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
Sir, the answer is 154 meter square.
That's the correct answer. Very good. So, for here, most of the student has answered, that is 75 meter square. How it is come? Formula of area of triangle is 1/2 base into height. Okay, 1/2. What is base? 15. What is height? 10. Okay, height is 10. We can cancel 2. 5 ja 10. 15 into 5 is 75. So the area of this triangle is 75 meter square. Okay. Now for the second one. See, for the second one, area of circle is pi r square. What is pi r square means? Pi multiply by r multiply by r. Means r square means you have to multiply r 2 times. Value of pi is 22 by 7. 22 by 7. Pi is a constant value and its value is always 22 by 7. Now, what is radius given? 7. So you have to multiply 7 2 times. 7 into 7. 1 7 is cancelled, denominator and numerator. Okay. What is remaining? 22 into 7. What is 22 into 7? 154 meter square. Okay. I hope you have understand to calculate the area of any circle. Now I am giving you one more question. I'm giving you one more question. And students, please start making your fair copy. I have given you the no, you didn't receive solution. Na? So most probably I will send the solution. Okay. This is the circle. Okay. And the diameter is given 28 meter. And you have to calculate the area of this circle. Okay, fast. Please lower your hand. Lower your hand first of you. 10, 15 students are raising hand, and if I ask, they didn't say anything. Okay, calculate it. Okay. Abhinav Kumar Pandey, have you calculated? Abhinav?
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. What is your answer, Abhinav?
Sir, my answer, sir, I am not understand the
Huh.
its formula.
Formula is pi r square. Means you have to multiply r 2 times. Okay. Okay, we are going to solve this question. So try to understand this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, Abhinav Kumar Pandey, Himnesh Singh, have you calculated?
Yes, sir.
What is your answer?
Sir, the answer is 88 meters square.
Okay, a girl has raised an Aradhya. Okay, Garima, tell me answer.
So 784 meters square.
Okay, let's see. Jyoti Mishra, what is your answer?
Sir, 88 meters square.
Okay, students, see here. We are here diameter is given. And what is the formula of area of circle is pi r square. Okay, what is r square? Means we have to multiply r 2 times. Okay, pi r square means pi r into r. Okay, what is the diameter given? Diameter is 28 meter. Okay, and we have to put the value of radius, and radius is half of the diameter. Okay, this is diameter and this is the radius. Radius is half of the diameter. This is 28, and what is the half of 28? 14 meter. So here we have calculated radius. So radius is 14 meter. Now we have to calculate the area. Just put into the formula. So here radius is 14 meter. Okay. Now formula of area of circle is pi r square, means pi r into r. Pi r multiplied by r. Okay. Value of pi is 22/7. Value of r is 14. And what is the value of other r? 14. We will cancel 7 and 14. 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 14. Okay. Now 22 into 2, 44. And 44 into 14. Okay. Now we will multiply 44 into 14. See here. 4 4 is 16. 5. Same. Okay. What is the answer? So the answer is 616 meter square. Okay. Who has calculated 616 meters square? Yes. Samarth. What is your answer?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, my answer is 700 meters square.
700 meters square. Okay.
Sir.
What is your answer, Uzbo?
Sir, my answer is 196 meters square.
Okay. So now you have understand how to calculate.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So don't do any calculation mistakes. Okay. Don't do mistake in multiplying. So here we have calculated area of circle. See once again, the diameter is given 28 meter. And for area, we have to calculate radius. And radius is half of diameter. If the diameter is 28, what will be the radius? Half of diameter means half of 28, 14 meter. Now 22/7, that is pi r square. 14 into 4. We have cancelled 7 to the 14 2 times. Now here 22 into 2, 44. 44 into 14, that is 616 meters square. Okay. Okay. Solve one more question. The radius of a circle is 21 meter. And we have to calculate area of the circle. Okay. Okay, who have calculated? Yes, Ashutosh, you have calculated?
No, sir.
Abhika Asthana, have you calculated 6B? Okay, Himnesh, have you? Did you?
Yes.
What is your answer?
Sir, the answer is 1386 meters square.
1386. Okay, let's see here. 1386. 1386. We are told na? Himnesh. Okay, let's see here. Students, be careful. Once more time. You are doing mistake in calculation. Radius is given 21 meters square. What is the formula of area? Pi r into r. Okay. Value of pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 21. 7 3s are 21. Okay. 22 into 3. What is 22 into 3? 22 into 3 is 66. Now we have to multiply 66 into 21. 66 into 21. 66. 2 6 are 12. Carry 1. 2 6 are 12. 1 3. 6. 6 2 8. 3 1. Okay, that's the right answer. Very good. 1386 meters square. That is the area of this circle, which radius is 21 meter. Okay. Okay, Adarsh Kushwaha, what is your answer? What do you have calculated?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, 1386 meters square.
Okay, very good. And what is the value of pi?
Sir, value of y is 22 by 7.
Okay, good. So whose answer is 1386 meters square? That's the correct and very good for it. Okay. So next of the things we will solve in next class. Okay. So thank you, students. We will meet in next class.